When we could connect in person, the world worked for us. At home, at work, at school, and in our daily lives. But when the way the world connected every day changed, we were ready. Dell Technologies and Intel power the network that powers your device. And that device you use every day, we power that too. By partnering with the world's leading communications service providers, Dell Technologies and Intel make sure you are always connected. With the added security of a 5G network and an enabled device, you can do anything from anywhere at any time, even when we can't be together. With an open network from the cloud, to the core, to the edge, and then to your home, Dell Technologies and Intel are committed to building the networks of the future today.